got that on. Nice fit. And now we'll get the 3/4 one on there. And that won't want a lot off of it. That is so close. Right. Nice. Right, it just needs to go a little bit deeper for that to fully fit on there, because the inside of that boss through the middle is thicker than the outside. So. Should be more than enough, yes. It's a little loose on there, but it'll be fine. It's a good fit, so it doesn't turn. Oh. Look who's turned up for a wash. Whingy cat. Investigating. Still, he's good at keeping the mice down. Hello! I've had a few days off. All that broaching I done last time really played havoc with my arms and the nerve damage I've got in them. But anyway, I'm back. We're going to carry on with this bit. I've started a little bit of broaching, and what I've done, just so I've got clearance, and when I first started doing this broaching I didn't have any clearance holes or something to fall into, so I have drilled a couple of holes there just for the cut to fall into, and so far it seems to be working okay. So we're just going to keep going a little bit at a time. Do a little spot all around that. there seems to be bunching up a little bit. I've actually drilled that hole past where this is going to be, well, not quite past where it's going to be parted off, but it's not on the part that's going to be used. That's better. So I've found when I'm broaching like this is, once you've put a little bit of cut on, it's just to feed it through a few times. I suppose that's like a spring cut, isn't it? Anyway, I shall carry on with this and we'll come back at a significant other time. See you in a little while. Right, I think these are the last few cuts I'm going to do. I'm just working on this end of it now. I've been taking this down to about 90 thou. Little spot of oil. I think when I advance this cross slide, I'm probably doing it about 2 thou at a time, I guess, until I get that scale made on there. Let's have a measure. Got to remember there is a bit of a burr on there. Right, we are spot on 0.1 there, so I'm guessing with that burr on there, that's going to be right about where I want it. Let's see. I want to get this key out of here. That's it. Let's see how that looks then. Yep, that looks good in that one. And in that one. Super. Well, I guess the next thing now is I need to bore out the centre of that. think I'm going to go the same as this was on the original one. This is what came with the gear set, the second gear set, the larger ones. And I've got no good way of measuring internals apart from this. And that looks to me, I'd say that's spot on 10.5mm. Or in inches 4 point. Gives a better light. Yeah, definitely 10.5. 0.4. 0.415. As near as I can guess what that is. So I'll need to find and drill that size. I don't know what I've got, whether I've got anything. But I'll have a look see. And then we'll see about boring it.